This clown, a man tries to rob an off-duty cop at a ATM. And you can see what he got. Yeah, greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. If it's your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. This is one of the funniest news report I ever done. But a man tries to rob an off-duty cop at an ATM. An off-duty police officer accosted a man after he reportedly tried to rob him at an ATM at Shoppers Fair on the Brunswick area there in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Them boy are called. Eyewitness said that an officer was at the ATM who was planning to, take out some money. Them entered the ATM to make the withdrawal. The officer was in plain clothing though. Upon exiting the ATM machine, a man approached this officer and said, "Pussy, give me all of your money before me strike a blow to you." The officers faced the assailant. A series of videos have been recorded by the Onlookers who posted it on TikTok, showing the police retaining him and showing him multiple blows to the face and the body and also putting him in the trunk. The boy a beg. Man, I tried the police, one note said, and the officers took him out the ATM like a cash. During the altercation, the man pleaded loud to the officers for forgiveness, saying, easy no sir, and I'm sorry repeatedly. He also stated that his name was Joshua and his mother's name is Charm. Onlookers encouraged the cop to lock him up as the officer tried to force him into the trunk. Me I go show you it. Yo, people, them boy are thief and them boy are evil. You are gonna thief. What me say? Them thief and them evil. Because if it was regular people, they would not even save him. Them would gaze him. Couldn't tie him up and blaze him. How you can see me at the ATM? I jar out me money. Boy, you take your life with funny. You're lucky the officer did not done it. You fall like you don't go to school. Ladies and gentlemen, the police are in the chunk. Cause guess what? The police are trying to put him in the car. See, and if the one go in there, if the one go in the car, lock him up. We not ramping down thief nowadays. Look on the little Marga fall. After we send him to school. And the police going to him ATM and draw out him good money when him work for, when him risk him life. And not even me money me can take out, although me put on me plain clothes. Don't think me lose my stripe. You're lucky you never get a strike. Congratulations, Jamaica. You have a good police officer. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment. Make me know what you would do if you're a police officer and you're off duty and you gonna enjoy your money in your plain clothes. And here comes this Spanish Townian thugs want to take your but give me your money. And I tell the officer, mind your thumb in your face. Listen to me, people. Me not even want to go on because I don't want to sound like it's a disgrace. But I'm reporting live here, ladies and gentlemen. An off-duty cop dealt with a fool out on the block because he was pulling out his money from Brunswick in Spanish Town in a St. Catherine. And you know, some little clown came out and chat about, give me your money. to the police officer wearing a plain clothes, and the police officer just joke him down and play him for a clown, and now he's on TikTok circulating on the internet going around. And more life and more joy and more happiness. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what you would have done if you would have done what the officer done, or you would have put him down. Put him down.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them fret and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Boy, fire king, Rastafari soldier real fire king. Yeah, balalang man,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.
Big up Deep Roots TV for me now.
Yeah man, it's not a smash, it's a squash. Oh, a